What if I told you that everything you think you know about reality is built on a foundation of facts so impossible, so mind-bending, that scientists themselves struggle to believe them? These aren't theories, these aren't guesses. These are verified, peer-reviewed truths that will permanently change how you see the universe. Let's start. Fact 1. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. Let that land for a second. The universe contains roughly 10 to the power of 80 atoms, but the number of possible chess games is 10 to the power of 120, a number so large it has no real-world comparison. Every game you've ever watched, every grandmaster match, every casual game played at a kitchen table is almost certainly a sequence of moves that has never happened before in the history of humanity and will likely never happen again. The universe is finite. Chess is not. Fact 2. You are mostly empty space, and so is everything you've ever touched. Atoms are 99.99999% empty space. If you removed all the empty space from every atom in every human being on Earth, all 7 billion of us would compress into a cube roughly the size of a sugar cube. The reason you can't walk through walls isn't that matter is solid. It's because the electromagnetic forces between atoms repel each other before they ever actually touch. You have never physically touched anything in your entire life. Fact 3. Time moves slower for your feet than for your head. Einstein's theory of general relativity proves that gravity warps time itself. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time moves. Your head is slightly further from the center of the Earth than your feet are, which means your head experiences slightly less gravity and therefore ages faster. Over a lifetime, your head is measurably older than your feet by a fraction of a nanosecond. GPS satellites have to correct for this effect constantly, or they drift dozens of miles off course within a day.
Fact 4. The universe has a sound, and it's a B-flat. In 2003, NASA astronomers listening to sound waves from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, 250 million light-years away, detected a musical note, a B-flat, 57 octaves below middle C. So deep it sits 1,000,000 billion times lower than the threshold of human hearing. The sound has been resonating for over 2 billion years. The universe has been playing a note this entire time, and we only just figured out how to listen. Fact 5. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the iPhone than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza was completed around 2560 BCE. Cleopatra was born in 69 BCE, over 2,400 years after the pyramid was built. The iPhone launched in 2007. That's roughly 2,000 years after Cleopatra. Think about that. The ancient world we imagine as one continuous era was separated by distances of time that dwarfed our entire modern civilization. The Egyptians who built the pyramids were as ancient to Cleopatra as Cleopatra is to us. Here is what all of this means. Reality is not what it looks like. The solid world you walk through isn't solid. The time you think is constant isn't constant. The history you think of as ancient isn't even old by the universe's standards. And the universe itself has been playing music longer than life has existed on this planet. If the most verified, proven facts about the universe are this impossible, imagine what we haven't discovered yet. Subscribe, because we're just getting started.